Hey guys, Mike Klingler here. I wanted to show you guys really quick how to enroll with us because as you know, today is Thursday and it's the cutoff date at midnight Pacific time. That's West Coast time here on Thursday. That happens every week. So you might have a lot of people who enrolled underneath you from my marketing, from money that I've invested, time that I've invested into your position, into your temporary position. We do that to show people you're not alone here, to get you into momentum. And when you enroll, you not only keep them, but we continue to help you build. We continue to invest into your business. Now, being that it's Thursday and there's not that much time left, if you want to keep those people in your business, I'm going to go ahead and jump right here, show you how to log in, show you how to sign up. And that's actually shown. I had this page up because that's actually shown in this video where it says join the team. We've sent you here several times, but you're getting down to the wire here with tonight being the cutoff. So if you want to check your stats and see how many people are underneath you that we've invested into putting underneath you already, that you would keep if you enroll by midnight tonight. And if you want to see how to sign up, this is how you do it. I'm going to pause this video because I'm going to enter an email address that's a legitimate email. I don't want to share that with the world. It's somebody else's email address. This is a real account. This is somebody who may be enrolling today. And by the way, I'm going to show you where to check your stats, how to log in and check your stats here. But understand that those stats change as Thursday goes on. So as it gets closer to midnight, that cutoff date, more and more people typically enroll. So keep that in mind as well. We have a lot of people that have said that they're coming in today that are some serious business builders, and that's typically how it works. So anyway, I'm gonna pause this so you don't see me entering the email here because I don't want you to see that email because again, it's a real email address of somebody who's actually signing up today. But I want to show you how to do that. I'm going to pause it. You can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm entering their email there, and then I'm clicking view my team button. And then that's going to take you in here. Okay. And so you're going to come into your account when you do that. And, I'm not going to show you everything in here. We've done that already in previous videos. But I'm going to show you where you go to see your stats. So you go straight here to getting started, step 4, boom. And then, it says congratulations. It'll have your name here. It says you already have, now in this case, it says you already have 5 paid affiliates and 465 pre-enrollees in your team and still growing. I'm going to go ahead and click your team. It opens this up and it just kind of shows that there. And it shows more information on the people that have been placed underneath you. Now, you can do that. You can go ahead and log in right now. I'm going to give you access to the same link so you can enter your email address that you use when you set up your temporary account. Go to step 4, look at how many people you have. We are investing into your business. We are investing even before you've done anything. Now, if you're going to make a lot of money here with us, you're going to need to contribute to the team, but we've made it really simple in this presentation that I've sent you to a ton of times that breaks this down. Like Robin and I explain through this video how this strategy works, and we get really, really, really detailed. And so if you haven't watched that and there's still time today, I encourage you to do that. This video also showed you basically what I'm showing you now, showed you another way that you can log in. It's a different location, but it's saying get you here, different way to log in. Get here, see what's going on in terms of how many people you have underneath you. Study that strategy video if there's still time. If you've been kind of missing pieces here and there, maybe it's just time to come in. This is what you do when it's time to come in. You want to lock in the people that are underneath you. Here's how you do it. Get started now. Click on get started now. Choose your country. And then you'll see products. And then if you've watched the strategy video that we keep sending you to, called the comprehensive review, then if you want to do level 1 or level 2. Level 1 is the director pack right here. Level 2 is the executive pack. Now, I talked about in the strategy session, if you're in a different country outside the US, you might get different packs. We talk about that in these videos. But I'm just going to share for now, for those of you in the US, if you want to do level 2, which is the fastest growing option to build. Again, level 2 are the fast growing options. You want to build your income the fastest and you want to be a top producer on the team, then you do the HempWorx executive pack. If you want to grow slower because you're broke, you're in a financially challenged position. We understand that. We set up level 1 for that, then do the director pack. It's slower growing because you can't do the marketing, the advertising, the faster growing stuff, but you still get to benefit from the team strategy. Again, we broke all this down The level 1 and level 2 strategy, we broke these down in detail in this video. So hopefully you've studied that. If you keep running out of time or whatever it may be, and you've seen enough to know you want in and you don't want to lose the people that we placed underneath you, and you want to lock in your position so I can continue to build more and more volume, because people who came in a couple months ago, they have tens of thousands of dollars, almost $100,000 in volume now underneath them. That's qualifying for real commissions. Now, again, you need to contribute something if you want to make a lot of money. You need to contribute something. And we talk about exactly what that is in this strategy video. But we've made it really, really simple. And again, those of you who are struggling with time, with maybe mindset, maybe your thinking is kind of screwy right now because you're upset by things that are going on in life, but you're ready to change, you're ready to get on track, but you're kind of challenged in some way, financially, emotionally, with your time, whatever it may be. We set it up so you can do the bare minimum and still leverage the team strategy. It's slower growing if you come in at director because you can't participate in the fast growing methods, but you still get to leverage the team strategy and benefit. And long term, you're going to have a lot of benefit from the team. If you want to grow fast and become a top producer, come in at level 2, which we call the executive pack. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and go to the executive pack. You're going to choose in that pack 12 items. If you choose the 750 milligram CBD oil, it's going to charge extra. So if you want to just have it cost the regular cost of the pack, it would be 500 milligrams. Again, the cost of the packs and everything is covered in detail in the comprehensive review. Right now, I just want to show you how to get in before the deadline. Okay. So choose up to 12 of them. You can choose all of these except for if you do the 750, it will cost a little bit more than the regular price. If you're in a country that can't get CBD oil, I mentioned in the comprehensive review which packs you can get. You can absolutely still come in. You can leverage the same system and strategy. We have people all over the world, and you can use the same strategy to build a CBD business. And there's lots of other products here as well that you can get in your country. I talk about that in these 2 videos. Guys, you're never going to find more help than this. At the very least, log in as I showed you and see what you got going on. See how many people we've already placed underneath you. Understand you have until midnight Pacific time Thursday to keep those people in your organization. You'll still have your temporary position after Thursday if you don't enroll. It's just every Thursday, all that volume rolls up. And then as they go on to build businesses, all their volume you could have kept, and you get paid on that. We explain how that works in the comprehensive review. All right, guys, looking forward to meeting you and helping you build an income here. I really believe in this. The products changed my life. I can't share how because the FDA doesn't tell me or doesn't allow me to tell you exactly how it helped me because it was a really serious issue. I could talk about that, in other contexts, but not in a recording like this when I'm promoting the business. But we're here because the products are amazing. And if you watch the videos and you study this and you see how much we're helping you in investing into your business, this should be a no-brainer. Let me know if you have any questions. And remember, the deadline cutoff date to keep the people in your business that we placed over the last week is midnight Pacific time Thursday.